In the previous video, we discussed that what is an exponential function and what will be the laws of exponents. Now in this video, we will apply all the laws of exponents in solving or simplifying some questions. For example, you are given with negative of 5 raised to power 3 and you are going to solve it. Then how you will solve it? We will multiply minus 5 into 3 times. And it will be minus multiply with minus, we will get positive sign, and when this positive sign will be multiplied with this negative sign, we will get negative sign. 5 multiplied by 5, 25, and 25 multiplied by 5, we will get minus 125. We can directly predict the sign, that is negative or positive, from this power or exponent. If this power or exponent is odd, then we will retain the negative sign. Then there is no need to open just like this. Just write down the negative sign directly if the power is odd number, and if the power is even number, like I have minus 4 raised to power 2. Now you can see this exponent or power is an even number, so we can directly write positive sign. This negative will convert into positive. And 4 square means multiply 4 2 times, and that will give 16. So if the power or exponent is odd number, then this negative sign will retain, and if the power or exponent is even number, then this negative sign will be converted into the positive one. Now come to the next example. Negative of 4 raised to power square whole raised to power 3. It can be solved by two ways. Number one, I will solve this internal bracket like negative. We have even power for this negative, so it will become positive one. And 4 square will give you 16, positive 16. And we have outside plus 3. Now 16 raised to power 3 means multiply 16 3 times and we will get 4096. Now other method for solving the similar question is using the law of exponent. That says that we can multiply the exponents. So 2 3s are become 6. Now for solving this negative sign for power 6, since this power is an even number, so this negative will become positive, and multiply 4 with 6 times, we will get the same answer. Now for solving this other question, you can see this negative is outside of this bracket. So first of all, solve this bracket. We will get negative of 10 raised to power 2. It means multiply 10 2 times. So I will get 100. Now this exponent is acting on this negative sign and this 100 as well. So as this power is odd, so my negative sign will retain, and I will multiply 100 3 times and I will get this answer. Finding value of exponent. If you are given with an equation and you have to compare the both sides and find out the value for the exponent, then how you are going to find out? 9 raised to power x equals 81. Now I have to find out the value of exponent, that is basically x. I have to find out the value for x. So there must be some exponent over here so that we can compare both sides and can get the value for this x. 9 raised to power x is basically equals to 8 raised to power 1. Now I will make this 81 the multiple of 9 so that the base can be similar and we can compare the exponents with each other. 9 raised to power x equals 81 can be written as the multiple of 9 and that is basically 9 square. So I will get 9 raised to power x equals 9 raised to power 2. Now comparing both sides, base with base and exponent with exponent. So I will get x equals 2. Now you can check whether your answer is correct or not. Just put this value of exponent in the given equation and you will get 9 square equals to 81 and that is correct. Now come to the other example. Negative of 5 raised to power a equals minus of 125. Negative of 125. I will make negative of 125 as a multiple of negative of 5. Negative 125 can be written as negative of 5 multiply negative of 5 multiply by negative of 5. That is negative 5 raised to power a equals negative of 5 raised to power 3. So by comparing both the sides, since the bases are same, so we can compare their exponents. So we will get a equals 3. Now in order to solve this question, we have to simplify it. Then how we are going to simplify it? I will just use the laws of exponents in simplifying this question. Since 3 and 3, we have the same base, so and both are multiplying with each other, so we can add their powers, like 3 raised to power minus 2 plus 3. And the whole power, that is negative 2, will remain same. And I will get 3 raised to power 1 and minus 2 as it is. Now, using the other law of exponent, that the exponents are multiplying with each other, I will get 3 raised to power minus 2. And I will make it the positive by taking reciprocal of it. So it will become 1 divided by 9. Now consider the next example, that is negative of 5 raised to power 3 into negative of 25 raised to power minus 1, negative of 5 raised to power minus 2. Negative of 5 raised to power 3. I can write negative of 25 as negative of 5 square. I have split 25 as a multiple of 5, like 25 equals 5 multiplied by 5, that is equals to 5 raised to power 2. So it can be written as negative will remain as it is and 25 can be written as 5 raised to power 2 divided by minus 5 raised to power minus 2. Minus 5 raised to power 3. Now it can be written as, now you know very well, negative of 5, negative of 5. It can be written as negative